So we know there is an argument in critical reasoning. So there is a two categories of arguments we usually see in the critical reasoning sessions. One is deductive and another is inductive. So in deductive argument, we can see the conclusion is impossible to false when the premises is true. On the other hand, inductive is not sure whether it is valid or not valid in terms of the conclusions when the premises is true. Let me dive into some of the examples so that we can understand properly. All men are mortals. Faisal is a man. These two are premises. So based on these premises, we can see or we can tell that therefore Faisal is mortal. If we correlate the first two sentences, which are premises, we can find the conclusions of these deductive sessions. So premises are true, and based on the premises, we can draw a conclusions. Therefore, Faisal is mortal. So let me dive into the next example. New students usually do the classes seriously. Faisal and Karima are new students. Therefore, they do the classes seriously. We can see that first two sentences are premises, and based on the two sentences, we draw the conclusions. They do the classes seriously. So Faisal and Karima are new students, but it doesn't say that every student is doing class seriously. So we cannot find whether the conclusion is valid or not. It's difficult to say because the premises is true but insufficient to draw a conclusions. We can identify the inductive arguments very effectively by noticing some words such as usually, sometimes, generally, and some. Hope we understand these sessions about categories of critical reasonings. Thank you.